Water lily is A. Saprophyte, B. Decomposer, C. Hydrophyte, and D. Flower. So they are asking us that from the option here, which one will characterize a water lily. So we're going to be looking at each of the options and working with elimination method. So starting with option A, which says saprophyte. So saprophytes they are organisms that feed on dead or decayed matter. Feed on dead or decaying matter. Saprophyte. The next one is decomposer. They break down dead and decaying matter, returning nutrients to the soil. So this one, they feed on the dead and decaying matter. This one, they are the cause of the breaking down of those dead and decaying matter. They break them down and the nutrients from those dead and decaying matter will return to the soil. The next one is hydrophytes. Plants that live in water. So plants that live in water are known as hydrophytes. They can be fully immersed, or they can have like only a part of their system immersed in water, like a part of the plant. And then last but not the least, we have flower, which is simply the reproductive part of a plant. So in case you didn't know, just the way you have your reproductive parts, plants also have their reproductive parts, which is flowers. So flowers are the reproductive part of a plant. So eliminating using the options. Number one, saprophyte, feed on dead or decaying matter. Not the answers. Water lilies are plants. They can photosynthesize just fine. Decomposer, breaking down dead and decaying matter, returning nutrients to the soil. Also not the answer. Hydrophyte, plants that live in water. You can already hear the name water lily, so you know obviously there is an hydrophyte. The fourth one, flower. Now water lily is the whole plant, refers to the whole plant. So yes, there's flowers there, but there are also other components of the plant. So the reason the answer is not going to be flower is because water lily is referring to the whole part of the plant, not just the reproductive part. So the answer to this question obviously will be hydrophyte. Water lily is an hydrophyte. That is the answer. Option C.